This is a blue. I put some first the border. This is cobalt, sky blue, sky blue. Okay. So I put this blue. Make this aram se don't go color outside, like this. See the how to create strokes. First make the border and then inside the color. Okay, you don't have. Okay, you can use another blue called the Prussian blue, cobalt blue. You can use the cobalt blue or sky blue. First, I make border and then I put color. Okay, put this. Yeah, you can do it. First make the basic color of this. Yes, yes, you can. Yeah, you can. You can put another color. Yes. See, it's my pencil color cutter. See, like you can cut the color like this.
Be careful, sir. It is going on your plate.
Yes. Make it like this nicely. Oh, very nice. We put here Prussian blue. New plastic crayon. Oh my god.
Which one should I use? Sir, which one should I use?
This. Show me.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. This is a Prussian blue, dark blue.
Okay.
So here I can using the Prussian blue. So this part is a deep blue. And how I'm using the pencil, how using the line, just try to understand. Okay, this is the Prussian blue. You do the step by steps, and here you can put the Prussian blue. Use here the black. Okay. And put yellow color. These three areas you put yellow, lemon yellow or golden yellow. Put the yellow. Okay. So you're learning the shadings over here. Remember the shading here. So we are putting the shading after that. This is the basic color is done. Basic color is done. First to put the basic color. Yeah, you can do the own drawing. I make a scenery in this. Yeah, you can make some scenery with this fish. I make some. Okay, no problem. So I make yes.
On the side, look like a potato.
I make something. I make something scenery like this, something leaves.
Sir, what is the red pen? With the red pencil.
Yeah, it is red pencil. Yeah, I make some.
What are those pencils?
নিচে নিচে সব নিচে নিচে আর হচ্ছে অপরটা খেয়ে নিয়েছে না
That was pencil to finish.
জামাও নোংরা করেনি দেখো
Just make it something like a small ball oval. This is the bubble. Water bubble. Now we have a more 2 minutes. You can finish the drawing. Okay, I make the little shading and all of you show your drawing after that you leave. Okay, how much you are finishing, how looks nice. Wow, Valerie, you're doing well, beta. Thank you so much. It's so good. Nani, beta, show me. Oh, Danny, you are so wonderful. You attend class always, beta. It's very good. Okay. Okay, buy some food. Show beta. Show Shinchana, Shinchana show.